Hi, I'm Marna.
And I'm Darren.
And this is a Dolls Rescue channel. And we had, so much fun on May the 4th. I cannot thank you enough to each person that created a video and uploaded it to their channel. If I did not leave a comment on your video, would you please contact me? Because I probably didn't see your video and I would really like to. There were over 30. I'm thinking I went and visited 33 people. Thank you, each one. And also we had the scavenger hunt, and we're going to announce the winner. In our scavenger hunt, you know how at the Grammys they only give you this much time to thank everybody? There's a reason for that. I got to tell you, I could go on and on thanking people. First of all, I'd like to thank Darren, who makes the stands and the 3D printed items that we use as hidden giveaways and as gifts for the scavenger hunt. The person that won our scavenger hunt is going to receive 2 doll stands. You'll need to contact me at my email address, which is marna@dollsrescued.com. If you...
Because I know it's going to come up right here when I put it there.
He's my cameraman, my editor. He corrects me. He's my producer, everything. Anyway, I'll need to know what kind of dolls you have. If you want the 18-inch stands, on down. Just let me know. But I have notes all over this envelope. I save these and don't throw them away till after I make notes on them. Seriously, I cannot thank you all enough. There were 5 channels and people that I'd really like to thank, and we're going to leave a link below. All of these people deserve your, how do you say it? Deserves to be a channel you are a subscriber to. We have, and I always chew this one up, forgive me, Tammy. I wrote it down to have it right. Peace, Craft, Love Dolls with Tammy Polly, and Ink Pads Playpad. Now those were the 2 channels that had the actual items you were looking for. And we also had decoy channels, and I sent 5 Happy Mails. I came up with this idea, and within what, 24 hours or just less than 24 hours, I had it all out the door. I made the dresses, the whole bit. Darren had the 3D printer on overtime to get the Happy Mail ready, and I had contacted one person who I didn't hear back from, and so I thought they didn't want to do it. Well, she contacted me the next day, so back to the sewing machine I ran, and really, guys, thank you. So we have Tammy and Carrie, Ink Pads Play Pal. Those were the 2 that had the actual, and then we had 3 decoys. Doll Joy Lissa, Creative 404, that is Alexandra. Let's Talk About It with Jamie. Seriously, these people are far and above. Just, oh, I love them. Thank you so much for making this possible to enjoy the scavenger hunt. A lot of people went to all 5 and thought they found it, but if you remember, I said, here's what you're looking for in those videos. Do you see these 2 outfits? These are actual outfits that are going out in the Happy Mail. So we went through and checked it all out, and our winner, who won the scavenger hunt, is James Morrell. Contact me privately, please. Now, we also had a hidden giveaway on our Poopsie Surprise, and Darren had made a stand and the headband and the shoes. She came without shoes, so he made the shoe soles, and then we decorated those up, or I tried. You know, me and that glue.
You did a great job.
Oh gosh, I love you.
It's fun.
Anyway, we're going to have that drawing, and the winner for those is Unicorn Rainbows Toys and Dolls. Contact me, and we will get those out to you. Again, thank you for the participation you put into my channel. You all always leave such encouraging and kind comments, and I get up in the morning and I had my coffee and I answer comments. If you do not get a reply to a comment, it's because of the new glitches on YouTube. Not only are we slipping subscribers, now we're slipping comments and likes and views. Yes, views. But anyway, I love YouTube Dolly, the YouTube Dolly community. Thank you so much. This is the Dolls Rescue channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.